You will love the team support for Puerto Rico in this one. This is Pablo Gonzalez trying to turn on the win light on his Suzuki HAYABUSA for all his friends watching on. Let's go check in with them.
What do you think, Team Puerto Rico? Hey, Team Puerto Rico! Team Puerto Rico, they're going for Pablo. Let's see what he can do. 956 to 955.
Nice start for both these Suzuki HAYABUSAs. Here we go. Team Puerto Rico hoping Pablo, left-hand lane, can do it. Watch that win light coming on Pablo.
959, Team Puerto Rico. What do you guys think, huh?
What's up, baby, Puerto Rico?
Team Puerto Rico came to play, huh?
Yes, sir.
How about it? Congratulations. Congratulations.
Yeah, baby. Hard work pays off. Hard
It
work
sure
pays
does.
off.
Congratulations, Pablo.
And that's what you gotta love, guys.
Show
It's
you a little
super
real
late.
street now.
As you can tell, no one's left over,
Anibal
but
coming up. Anibal Merced, also of Latin descent. Also of Latin descent. Not sure where. Do you guys know? Do you guys know where Anibal is from originally?
so this will be a big real street matchup for you guys. Kawasaki versus
is that Puerto
Suzuki.
Rico? Good luck, Anibal. Anibal Merced, also Team Puerto Rico.
Who do you like in this one, guys? This is late at night, South Georgia Motorsports Park, Man Cup motorcycle drag racing. We got pushed into the wee hours, that's why you don't see anybody in the stands, but I can tell you for that cheering section, this is like the Super Bowl. You know what I mean? If you've ever been to one of these races late, pulling for one of your relatives or friends, let's see who's gonna win this one. Real Street Showdown. Merced taking on Hilton. Oh, problems for Anibal. Top end of the racetrack. Win light.
788 right lane to an 815 left lane. 815 left lane to a 7. It's easily. He's fast this year. He's got a GSXR 1000 in Pro Street and Real Street, and he is fast. I believe we have Grudge coming up. We're going to show you more. We'll stick with this Grudge bike. Just thank you, please, for subscribing, liking, and visiting, and we'll keep the coverage up for you. Let's ask you a question here. Everybody watching this, do you like the GSXR 1000 or the HAYABUSA better? What do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. Busa or 1000?
Switch over to some Grudge for you here.
Again, this is a Grudge bike. He's not running in Real Street, but they're awfully fun to watch. No rules.
Turn the bottle on. Fuck!
Ah, that happens.
Fuck! We forgot to turn the bottle on.
Well, it's good. It's a good thing that wasn't a high stakes bunny race. They forgot to turn the bottle on. That's okay. It happens. Guys, again, the question of the day, do you like the GSXR 1000 or Busa better? Please subscribe, please like, please visit. More coming. Thank you.
Certainly hope you enjoyed our coverage from South Georgia Motorsports Park. Hey, don't miss the big one coming up November 21st through the 24th. They'll be back at SGMP, and Larry Spiderman McBride and company will be there as well. Thanks so much, guys, for subscribing to Cycle Drag on YouTube. Thank you for liking CycleDrag.com on Facebook. Much more coming.